Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss first and second problems in exercise 7.3 in coordinate geometry of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before doing these problems, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's go through this. Yeah. This is the first question in exercise 7.3. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 and 5, 2. And third one is 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 2. Here, vertices have given, vertices of the triangle have given, then we have to find the area of the triangle. So we know very well about area of triangle formula, right? So I have explained the proof of area of the triangle in the concept video also, right? Yes. Solution. See, if A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then area is equal to, how can you find area of triangle? Of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle, right? Of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle, no? So let us take one by one vertices, and after that let us substitute in this formula, right? Yeah, first one. Let us take 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4, right? So this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. These are the points. So area of the triangle, area of the triangle is equal to half modulus of x1. x1 means 2 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, 0 minus of minus 4, right? Plus x2 into, x2 means minus 1 into y3 minus y1, y3 minus 4 minus y1 3, right? Plus x3 into 2 into y1 minus y2, y1 is 3, y2 is 0, 3 minus 0, right? That is equal to is half modulus of 2 into 0 minus into minus plus 0 plus 4 is 4. Here plus minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3, right? That is equal to half modulus of 2 4s are 8, minus into minus plus, plus into plus is plus, 1 7s are 7 plus 2 3s are 6. That is equal to half modulus of 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. Here plus 21 only na, so directly substitute, directly put into 21 only. If minus 21, modulus of minus 21 means that will become plus 21. So that is 21 by 2. 21 by 2 means is 10.5 square units. So the area of the triangle of the vertices 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4 is 10.5 square units. Have you understood? Note it down. Next is second one. Is second one vertices. Let us take minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2, right? So these are the points. Let us take as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? Yes, area of the triangle is equal to half modulus of x1 into x1 is minus 5 into, right, minus 5 into y2 minus y3, minus 5 minus 2, right, x1 into minus 5 into y2 minus y3 minus 5 minus 2, plus x2 into x2 is 3 into y3 minus y1, y3 2 minus y1 is minus 1, so minus of minus 1, plus x3 means 5 into y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is minus 5 only, na? Is minus 5, right? Yeah, so that is equal to half modulus of minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 is exactly minus 7, plus 3 into 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 3, plus 5 into here minus 1 minus into minus plus 5, minus 1 plus 5 plus 4, right? That is equal to half modulus of minus into minus plus 5 7s are 35, plus 3 3s are 9, plus 5 4s are 20. That is equal to half into all are positive value only, na? Yes, this is 35 plus 9, 44, 64. How many times get cancelled? 32. That is equal to 32 square units. So area of the triangle whose vertices minus y comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 5 and 5 comma 2 is 32 square units. Have you understood? Yes, note it down. Next, third one. Third one, as given points are 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. So these are the points. Let us take as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? Yeah. So area of the triangle is equal to half modulus of x1 into x1 is 0 into y2 minus y3, y2 0 minus 2, plus x2 into 3 into y3 minus y1, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, plus x3 into x3 means 0 into y1 minus y2, y1 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, right? So that is equal to half modulus of, so 0 into anything will become, yes, 0, plus 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 2s are 6, plus 0 into 0, 0 into anything 0, right? That is equal to half into 0 plus 6 plus 0 will become 6, 2 how many times? 3 times. That is equal to 3 square units. So this is the area of the triangle whose vertices are 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 0 comma 2 is 3 square units. Have you understood? Yes, note it down. Okay, this is the second question in exercise 7.3. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Here points have given 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, 3 comma k. Second one is 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 5. And third one is k comma k, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 1. Yes, here in this each problem 3 points have given, right? Yes, here we should find the value of k's in each case. We should find the value of k in each case, right? Yes, here these points are collinear have given clearly. Collinear. What are collinear points? Is the points which are lying on the same line. The points which are lying on the same line are called collinear points. Here look here. Suppose A, B, C. A, B, C. These are the points which are lying on the same line. No. So that's why A, B, C are the points are called collinear points. Right. So here collinear points means the area bounded by these 3 points should be 0, isn't it? The area bounded by these 3 points should be 0, which means area of the triangle should be equal to 0. For each case in this problem, so we should find area of the triangle and it should be equal to 0 we should do, right? Why? Because here there is no area between these 3 points, no. That's why we should equal to 0 to area of the triangle, right? Yes. Solution. If the points are collinear, then the area bounded or area enclosed by these 3 points is 0, right? Is 0. Therefore, area of the triangle should be equal to 0. So area of the triangle formula, half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, right? So area of the triangle, this one only, so this should be equal to 0 we should do, right? Yeah. Okay, first one, 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, 3 comma k, let us take. So this will be x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Yes, delta is equal to half modulus of, which means area of the triangle, half modulus of x1 into 7 into y2 minus y3. y2 is 1 minus y3 is k, plus x2 into 5 into y3 minus y1, y3 k minus y1 minus 2, right? Plus x3 into 3 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus 2 minus 1, right? Minus 1. So that should be equal to 0 only, na? Right. So that is equal to half modulus of 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 0. That is equal to, this is half modulus of 7 into k, 7 into 1, 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 5 2s are 10 plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 0. That is equal to half modulus of, here minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k, 10 minus 9 is, yeah, 1 plus 7, 8 is equal to 0, right? Yeah, let us do here. That is equal to half, here minus 2k plus 8 is equal to half. If you transfer into this side, 0 will be 0 into 2 it will be, so then 0. So that is equal to minus 2k plus 8 transfer into this side, minus 8, minus minus get cancelled, k is equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 2 4s are, so k is equal to 4. So if these 3 points are collinear, then the value of k will be equal to 4. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, second problem. Second one is 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 5 have given. So these are x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of the triangle delta is equal to half modulus of x1 into 8 into y2 minus y3. y2 means minus 4 minus of minus 5. y3 only, na? Plus x2 into k into y3 minus y1. Minus 5 minus y1, 1. Plus x3. x3 means 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So 1 into 1 minus minus 4. 1 minus half minus 4. Right? y1 minus y2 only, na? Yes. So this should be equal to 0 only, na? Yes, that is equal to half modulus of 8. Here minus into minus plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 will be, yes, 1. Plus k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Plus 2 into minus into minus plus 1 plus 4. That will be 5 is equal to 0. So half transfer into this side. Then here modulus of 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0. Right. So here minus 6k plus 18. Right. Minus 6k plus 18 is equal to 0. Isn't it? 8 plus 10 will become 18. Yeah. So minus 6k plus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 6k is equal to minus 18. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 18 by 6. That is equal to 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3. So if you take these 3 points are collinear, then the value of k should be equal to 3. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, third question. Third one, k comma k, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 1 have given. Yes, these are the points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let us take like that. So area of the triangle is equal to half modulus of x1 into, which means k into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. 3 minus half minus 1. Right? Plus x2 into 2 into y3 minus y1. Minus 1 minus y1 is sk. Right. Plus x3 into 4 into y1 minus y2. K minus 3. K minus 3. Right? Yes, it should be equal to 0 only, no? Yes. So half modulus of k into minus 3 plus minus into minus plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus this will be, see here plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2 plus into minus minus 2 into k minus 2k plus 4 into k 4k minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 0. Right, that is equal to half transferred to this side. This is 4k modulus of 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. Right, that is equal to modulus of 4k plus 4k 8k. 8k minus 2k is 6k minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 should be equal to 0. Right, here half we have transferred into this side. So that will be 0 into 2, 0. That's why we have not mentioned here. Right? Yes, 6k minus 14. 6k minus 14 is equal to 0. 6k is equal to 14. K is equal to 14 by 6. Right? So which table get cancelled? 2 7s are 2 3s are. K is equal to 7 by 3. Right. So if these 3 points are collinear, then k is equal to 7 by 3. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.